In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for social media. Monday.com is an incredibly versatile platform for managing projects and workflows, and it's particularly effective for organizing your social media strategy. Whether you're a small business owner handling your own content or part of a large marketing team, Monday.com can help streamline everything from content ideation to scheduling and analysis. Today, we'll walk through the initial steps of setting up a dedicated board for your social media efforts, ensuring you have a solid and organized foundation. To begin, navigate to your Monday.com workspace. On the left-hand panel of your screen, you'll find a prominent plus sign icon. This icon is your gateway to creating new boards, dashboards, or even entire workspaces. For our purpose, we'll be adding a new board to serve as our central hub for social media content. Clicking this plus sign will open a menu offering various options, allowing you to choose the type of project or initiative you wish to start on the platform. Once you've clicked the plus sign, a new window will appear, presenting different ways to create your board. Among these options, locate and click on Template Center. This is precisely where we need to go. The Template Center is an invaluable resource within Monday.com, packed with pre-designed boards for almost any use case imaginable. These templates are crafted by experts to provide a robust, ready-to-use structure, saving you significant time and effort compared to building a board from scratch. It's a massive advantage, especially when you're looking to implement best practices for a specific function like social media management. Upon entering the Template Center, you'll see a search bar at the top, alongside categories for browsing. Since our focus is social media, a logical starting point is to search for templates related to content creation. In the search bar, type Content Production. As you type, the system will filter the available templates. Look for options that specifically mention content production, social media calendars, or marketing campaigns. You might find several suitable choices. Take a moment to review them. Each template typically includes a brief description and a preview of its layout, helping you select the one that best fits your team's specific needs and workflow for managing social media. For instance, a good template might feature columns for content type, platform, status, assigned team members, due dates, and even approval stages. Choosing the right template here will significantly enhance how effectively you manage your social media content, ensuring a structured yet flexible environment for all your posting and engagement activities. This setup will promote consistency and seamless collaboration across your team.